Everyone, please be seated. Mr. Justin, Mr. Arnold, I need you on your seats. Guys, please. Few questions came up. One question is about the 0.5. I think we've handled that. The matrix with 0.5. Does anybody still have a problem with that?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's say question. What was that question again?
Question 3D.
Okay, please, please. Thank you. Where are you? Yeah. Okay, so the question says triangle A after transformation represented. Okay, draw the image of triangle A after transformation represented by this. Which of the transformation matrices discussed looks like that? This one. Okay, so what does this do? Enlargement.
Oh.
The scale factor is K. So in this case, the scale factor is what? 0.5. And the center is still 0, 0. Origin anyway. Does it make sense? Another question that came up just now is, everybody, can you look at problem? Alex, what problem is that? Yep.
Question 10.
Look at question 10.
Question 11.
Yeah, question 11 of 2017. February 2017. Can you see that? Something like TXMY. Question 11. 10 is a percentage problem, then 11 is transformation problem on that page. Have you seen it?
Yeah.
Everybody, can you go to that page? Everybody, please open to that page and see. So there's a question like this. TX is the image of shape X. Someone is talking. And MY is the image of shape Y. Of course, this is not the end of the statement. After translation, this is after reflection. So, someone is a bit confused and is asking, but in that picture, we do not have shape X or shape Y. We only have shape what?
A.
So, I'm confused. Who's going to help me?
You.
Is anyone confused like me? I'm confused. So, can somebody help us out here? Yes, anybody? Did you see the question? Raise your hand if you have seen the question I'm talking about. So can you help out with this? Because now the question is asking us to draw MTA. The image of A after transformation MT. What does this mean?
A is the common.
A is the what?
Common shape.
A is the common shape. What do you mean by common
I
shape?
don't know how to explain
One by one, please. Yes?
So first you transform the shape, like because in TX it's like different like a factor, so you move it and then you reflect it.
No, the first question is, we have A in the picture, X is given here. That's the first confusion. If you look at that question, A is in the picture. A is in, what shape is that A anyways?
It's
A trapezium, right? So A is given in the picture, but then the question is talking about after translation by this vector. Then this one is after reflection in the line X is equal to 2. So TX is the image of shape X after translation by this vector. MY is the image of shape Y after reflection in this line.
That means after they transform, they are the same.
What they are telling you is TX is the image of any shape X. It's like telling you f of x is equal to x plus 1 and g of y is equal to y squared plus 2, something like that. That's what I'm just giving you. Does this make sense? Sit, please. That's what I'm just giving you. So x could be anything. So when your x is m, it means f of m is equal to what? Talk to me, everybody. And if your y is point P, it means g of P is equal to what? P squared plus 2. So imagine the question asking you to do f g of w. Does it mean it can be done?
You can read that.
So how do you do f g w? What do we even call this?
I forgot what they call this function.
Start with a C, of course. What do we call this? Compo what? Composite. Composite what? Function. So this is the composite of a transformation, combined transformation. Does it make sense now? So who can explain what this means? What does this transformation MT mean? I think that's what Candy was trying to explain.
Do n first and then
Do what first?
n a.
Do T first.
T first. T first. So you do TA first, right? That gives you maybe like A prime. Then you do your MA prime. So your TA will be answered by this. Oh, does it make sense now? I think it just woke up. Then whatever this gives you, M act on it. Does it make sense now? Alex, question answered? Alright, any other question? We need to leave in about 60 seconds.
No, we're not that fast.
No. Any other question?
Yeah, we're not that fast.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, one last thing, before we go. A lot of you are asking, how do you know the center of rotation? Please listen. There is a general way and there is trial and error way. No one is going to hold you responsible for using trial and error method. So for example, you have this shape. Let's pick a triangle. And after being rotated maybe 90 degrees, you agree with me, 90-degree rotation here will come. If I rotate it about this point, I'm just having a sketch. It's going to be here, agree? And it will be maybe something like this. Okay, something like this.
It's a little far.
Okay, so how about we do it this way, so it can at least be a bit accurate. So 90 degree, please, I need your attention. So if you move it 90 degree, if this point moves 90 degree, it becomes a, you agree? It comes like that. This moves 90, comes here. Then this moves 90, comes here, this comes here. Is it? Do you agree?
Yeah.
Is it a sketch of what it should look like? Okay, look up please, quickly, look up. Now, if I call this point A, then this is A prime. If this is B, then this is B prime. And if this is C, then this is C prime. Agree? Right?
Yes.
Please, I beg you. Now, the question is, how do we know the center of rotation? Do you agree that this ray and this ray this point is of the same distance? Also, from here to here, no. It's not. I think it should be the other way.
Exactly.
Okay. So there should be a point, this B should actually pass through and be somewhere here.
Yeah.
This C should actually pass through and be somewhere here. So I think we should have add something that will look like 1, 2, 3. Something like this. Something like this. Okay? So if you want to find a center, pick any 2 points, A and A prime, find the middle. Pick 2 points, B and B prime, find the middle. Pick C and C prime, find the middle. The 3 midpoints will meet at a particular point. So just join A and A prime, B and B prime, C and C prime. The point of intersection is your center of rotation.
Okay.
Does it make sense?
Yes.
Does it make sense?
Yeah.
All right, let's call it today here.
One more.